welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I've got a flip through for you, and it's from Coloring Heaven collection, Nature's Patterns, 48 inspired, nature inspired designs by Ellie Marks. This Ellie Marks is new to me, so I thought I would get her the magazine to check her work out, and so far I like her work, and I plan to look up of more coloring pages from her. I got this copy from Sainsbury's. It's very pretty. I don't know why I have not known this illustrator. Maybe I have, but indirectly. Very pretty. So it's actually a good way to know more about illustrators from this Coloring Heaven series. Oh, this is adorable. I like this. Birdhouses. Ah, there's a worm in this rotten apple. Spring. Sand garden. This is very Japanese. Sakura lantern. Crystal forest. Koi pond. This one could be Japanese or Chinese. Clove bee. This one would be could be in England, Europe. Rose perfume. Oh, I think I might color this one first. The lock. Poppies and cornflowers. This would be interesting to color. You know, there's contrasting colors: blue, purple, and red, or orange. This would be nice. Summer now. Very pretty. Flowers, just flowers. Pansy. Summer berries. This is also nice. I would color this. Sunflower. Dragonfly. Gecko. Coral reef. This one would be also colorful. Shells and seaweed. Anchor. Tiny houses. This one looks like they're in Amsterdam or Belgium, sort of. Fall compass. So this is in autumn already. Green peas. The pictures are just so adorable. I love them. pepper, pumpkins, berry jam, blackberry, blueberry, strawberry, vineyard, feathers, the raccoon napping. Oh, he's adorable. Mushrooms, which I love to color. I love mushrooms. Acorns and mushrooms. Gnomes. Also something I like to color. Very cute. Fairy doors. Do you have a fairy garden? I would love to have a fairy garden. I did. I have one. During the lockdown. Then, when I started working again, I got abundant succulents. Potted succulents. Now this one, how was it? What's the difference? Oh, this is just growing. There's no pot. This one has pots. Poinsettia. Christmas now. Winter. Pine cones. Walnuts. Lemon and spice. Spice wreath. Dried oranges. With vanilla. Shrew is resting in this meat-eating plant. Christmas village. Very adorable. Christmas bauble. Christmas snowflake. With a cup of tea or new wine. Yeah, so that's the end of the magazine. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, do give me a cheeky thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy coloring. Bye.